Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is daily trading analysis with a quick market update. So basically, in the open, we have a push to 11,200 and then a pullback. We held support, but then we started to range. This descending resistance was starting to appear and we broke out. We held this pivot and we starting to go higher. So basically, this initial move was quite bullish. Honestly, I was expecting move higher, even though I was quite bearish on the day. This move was quite nice. But we were quite extended and Apple started to show signs of weakness. Once Apple broke this ascending support and couldn't hold this 145, we started, it was 10:30 more or less, we started to see weakness. Lower lows, lower highs, breaking the EMA, breaking the VWAP, sorry, and we then transitioned to see this pattern, this flag with ascending support and descending resistance, couldn't hold new highs, this pivot. So this was effectively resistance. And then we move lower with the trend. A small spike to test this support is now resistance, and now we are still going lower and right now breaking down. So what happened? Starting the day, all yields were pushing higher. 10-year is currently 2.8% in the green and 2-year is 2.5% on the day. So both the most important yields right now are pushing and dollar is also pushing. So basically the market couldn't find this strength that we were having the last couple of days, and that combined with high yields and a strong dollar, we're basically finding weakness. Apple was quite strong in the open. Microsoft was more or less also following suit. Amazon was quite strong also, but Tesla, look at this 5-minute chart in Tesla. This is horrendous. This is nasty. Barcoding, obviously Tesla has a lot of eyes put into it. We are waiting for market close for basically Tesla to report earnings. We don't know if it will meet expectations, and right now that uncertainty, it's killing the market. Slowly but surely we are losing every level, every key support, every pattern until market closes. I think there will be no momentum and no justification until Tesla reports earnings. Apart from that, today we got more bad news. 30-year mortgage rate increased from 6.81 to 6.94. Market index and purchase index were lower, but refinances were lower and applications basically got crashed. Housing starts lower than expected. That's good. We are starting less houses due to demand for these mortgages and people not willing to buy and to finance with these interest rates. So housing starts in September were quite lower than expected. So this is good news for the market. but building permits still going higher a little bit more than expected. So month over month, we went from negative in the permits to positive, and housing starts month over month. We basically crash housing starts. So we are still seeing some kind of strength in the housing, but I think in the midterm, while yields and mortgage rates are increasingly higher, housing market will basically collapse. There will be no demand destruction. People will have no interest, zero interest on buying and building new houses. And that's also interest. So today's main topic is yields and a strong dollar. We are still waiting for Tesla to report. So market today was super choppy, super range, all over the place. There was no clear trend and no clear direction. And the only thing that is up is crude oil. Crude oil is still basically trying to find some kind of support of this. Building some kind of support, higher lows to attack again a push higher for 90. We don't know, but for sure, United States delivering and unlocking 14 million barrels also in the upcoming months will not help price going up. So I think demand destruction along with increased barrels from US will kill price a little bit, and maybe under 75 in December would be quite feasible. We don't know. Natural gas is for sure feeling the pressure. We are approaching this 556 that we were targeting for demand to appear. So let's grab that support area. I think we are going to see a little bit of demand up here, down here. And we will see. But again, we are waiting for news, very important news. Tesla needs to, well, we are bouncing off here. But again, super choppy, below moving averages, below VWAP. We need time and patience to find a good setup into the earnings. I think that's key. We are pushing, we are still in the lunch hour, so expect volatility and perhaps some manipulation. But for sure, NASDAQ needs to see, investors and traders need to see Tesla's earnings. So we will have to wait. As always, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, you can comment down below and I will try to respond to all of you. If you found this video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Remember that I upload new videos every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I really appreciate your time and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap and hopefully with Tesla earnings. But remember, the trading day is not over yet. We still have plenty of time to prepare and to manage the positions, if any position at all, or waiting for Tesla. React to those earnings would be the safest bet. So discipline and risk management for that big earnings news and maybe some opportunities. Stay safe, everyone, and see you in a couple of hours with the market recap.